Hello and welcome to this final module of the BIN2BEAN training series on accessing and applying for public funding and grants. Today, we'll close our journey together by focusing on European calls and programs dedicated to innovation in the biowaste-to-soil improver sector, with a focus on soil health. Throughout this course, we talk about how public funding can help you transform innovative ideas into market-ready solutions. Now we look at where you can specifically find opportunities if your work involves converting biowaste into soil improvers, an area that sits at the heart of Europe's strategy for sustainability, circular economy and soil health. The European Union places increasing importance on soil health because healthy soil are essential for food security, biodiversity and climate resilience, but also on circular economy, to reduce waste and transform byproducts into valuable resources. For businesses working on biowaste-to-soil improvers, this creates a unique funding opportunity. Your projects are perfectly positioned to, for example, reduce landfill waste, restore degraded soil, create sustainable products for agriculture and environmental protection. Many European funding programs now target these objectives. Earlier in this course, we introduced key programs like Horizon Europe and the LIFE program. In this final module, we won't repeat those general explanations. Instead, we'll dive deeper into how these programs connect specifically to biowaste-to-soil projects and how you can position your innovation to align with these funding priorities. A particularly relevant program is the mission A Soil Deal for Europe. This mission aims to ensure healthy soils across Europe by 2030 through innovation, new business model and practical solutions that can be implemented in real-world contexts. And it's important to know that BIN2BEAN itself was funded under this mission soil context. Our project was selected because it contributes to transforming biowaste into sustainable products, improving soil health and fertility, demonstrating solutions that can be scaled up across Europe. This shows how soil health is not just a political priority, it's an area where concrete funding decisions are already supporting real projects. If you're looking for calls that focus on biowaste-to-soil projects, you can check the work programs of Horizon Europe Cluster 6 for calls linked to soil health, waste valorization and circular bioeconomy. You can also explore the LIFE program for topics on soil restoration, landfill reduction and pilot projects demonstrating environmental benefits. You can also look into the CBEJU for funding bio-based value chains where biowaste is transformed into innovative products like soil improvers. Don't forget, however, national or regional programs under CAP or ERDF that support sustainable soil management and circular economy solutions. When reading call text, pay close attention to the expected outcomes, check the required TRL and make sure your project fits precisely into the scope. Remember, the EU is particularly interested in projects that combine environmental impact with economic viability. That's a perfect match for the biowaste-to-soil sector. With this video, we are concluding our BIN2BEAN training on how to access and apply for public funding and grants. But keep in mind, public funding is only one part of our financial journey. That's why in the BIN2BEAN series, you will also have a dedicated training on corporate financing for new and existing SMEs. Combining public and private finances can give you the resources you need to bring your biowaste-to-soil innovation to the market and scale them successfully. So, I invite you to continue your learning journey with us. And one last thing, don't forget to take the quiz at the end of this course. Completing it will give you a certificate of participation, a great way to demonstrate your commitment and strengthen your professional profile in the biowaste sector. Thank you for following this training series on accessing and applying for public funding and grants. I wish you great success in turning your biowaste-to-soil innovation into market realities. See you in the next BIN2BEAN training.